Welcome back. In today's video, we will cover the binary tree traversal. So we will cover the pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal using recursive method. Now, what is a traversal that we are already aware? It is just accessing every node, either it is a tree, it is an array or the linked list, just accessing every node and every index as per the different data structure. Now, there are three standard ways of traversing a binary tree T with a root R. So we have a binary tree T and with a root R. These three algorithms, namely pre-order, in-order and post-order, can traverse the binary tree. So we'll see how it works. As pre-order suggests, solve the node first. Okay, pre-order suggests solve the node first, then left subtree and then the right subtree. Simple. It says solve the node first. Node is basically the root, and then the left subtree and then the right subtree. Whenever it is an in-order traversal, it says solve the left subtree first, then the node, and then the right subtree. Left subtree, node, and then the right subtree. Whenever it is a post-order traversal, it says solve the left subtree first, then the right subtree, and then the node. So this is the basic idea. We will see the algorithm also. Now how to solve, or like an arithmetic expression, a tree is there, how we can actually solve it using a binary tree. First we will try the pre-order traversal. What the pre-order traversal is, node first, then the left subtree, then the right subtree. This is the pre-order technique. Now, so suppose this tree has two parts. This one is the left subtree, this one is the right subtree, and this is the node. So it says to solve the node first. Okay, so plus, then again go to the left subtree. Now this left subtree again have a left subtree and a right subtree. You can see here, for this particular tree I am talking, this smaller tree, that is the left subtree. This left subtree has again a left subtree and a right subtree. So okay, fine. So this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. I will solve the node first. Okay. So again a star I got, and then again I will go to the left subtree. See, it says node. First solve the node, then the left subtree, and then the right subtree. I will go to this left subtree. This left subtree again have a left subtree and a right subtree. Now, so how to solve this? In this case, okay, fine. So here, this is the node, this is the left subtree, and this is the right subtree. So I will solve the star first. The star also solved. Again, I will go to its individual left subtree. In that case, it again has a left subtree and a right subtree and a divide. So I will solve the node first, that is the divide. So divide has been solved. Now I will go to the left subtree. Left subtree does not have any left subtree or right subtree first, so it will consider directly as a node. So A solved. Once this has been solved, I will jump to the right subtree, that is B. So B solved. And once the entire left subtree has been solved, I will jump to the right subtree, that is C. Again solved. Now given for this particular node, this is the entire left subtree has been solved. I will jump to the right subtree, this would be solved. Now entirely left subtree has been solved for the root node. I will go to the right subtree and then I will solve this. That. In this way, you can see here, once I solved A, then I solve B. After B, I go to C, and C I go to the D, and after D I go to the E. So I have always solved the node first, then the left subtree and the right subtree. So this is called as a pre-order traversal. I will try with the post-order traversal. Now what the post-order says, left subtree first, then the right subtree, and then the node. Okay, so this is the idea. So okay, we will try now. Now for this particular node that we have, see, for this particular node, we will as a one. This is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. Okay, so it will jump to here, left subtree. Now here in this is a left subtree. For this tree, we have a left subtree also, right subtree also. So we'll jump from here to here. Again for here, for this left subtree, I have a left subtree and a right subtree. So I will jump from here to here. Okay, so this is the left subtree. This is the entire left subtree. This left subtree again has a node. Okay. You see here. Now A does not have a node for the left subtree or right subtree, so I can behave it as a node and I will solve A. A done. Once A has been done, I have to solve the right subtree. Before solving this node divide, I have to solve the right subtree. So B solved. You can see in the answer. Then the divide will be solved. Once the entire left subtree has been solved, I'll solve the C, that is the right subtree from here to here. And then once the left subtree, right subtree solved, I will solve the star. So C and star. Then once the entire left subtree has been solved, I will solve the right subtree in this way. And then once this entire left subtree and right subtree has been solved, I will solve the star. Star done. Then once the entire left subtree has been done, I can solve E. E done, and then the plus. So that is the idea of how we can solve the post order traversal. We'll also try the in order traversal. In order traversal says left subtree, then the node, and then the right subtree. Okay, so how we can solve this thing? It says solve the left subtree, then the node, then the right subtree. Okay, so I cannot solve this plus until I solve this entire left subtree. Okay, so I will jump from here to here, star. I cannot solve the star until the left subtree has been solved. So I will go to the next step. Okay, I cannot solve this star because the left subtree is already present, that has not been traversed yet. I will go to the left subtree. Now again, divide cannot be solved until the left, because the left subtree exists, it has not been traversed. I have reached to A. A can be solved because it does not have a left subtree or right subtree. It considers it directly solved. A. A done. So again, once the A has been done, I will go to the node. I will solve the node, that okay, divide, and then this will be left node and then the right subtree. So B solved. Once this entire left subtree has, you can see the answer A divide B. Once the entire left subtree has been solved, I will jump to the star. The star will be solved, and once it is done, C will be solved. Okay, done. The entire left subtree has been solved. We'll try further in the same way. Once the left subtree has been solved, I will jump to the star. I will solve the star now. The star solved. Then I will jump to the right subtree here. D will be solved. Once the D has been solved, the entire left subtree has been solved. I have to jump after D. I will jump to the plus. The plus can be solved now. The left subtree of the plus has been solved. So plus solved. Then after, for the last time, it will solve the right subtree E. And this is the way you can get your answer. Okay. Now, how the pre-order traversal works, as I just said, it works like node, left, right. Simple algorithm it is. It says what? Process the root R. So this is the step. Process the root R. Then traverse the left subtree of R in order. Traverse the left subtree. I said traverse the left subtree, and then traverse the right subtree of R in the pre-order. Let's check it out here. Node, that process the root, and traverse the left subtree of R in pre-order, and traverse the right subtree of R in pre-order. This is the pseudocode. You can see if the PTR is not null, print the data part, and again call it as a pre-order left subtree, and again pre-order. This is a recursive call, PTR to the right subtree. That is the that one is the left subtree. and that one is the right subtree. Okay, so this is the idea. Now after this, we'll try with the in order. How the in order say? Left node, then the right. So it means left subtree of R in order, because we are doing the in order traversal. Then process the root R, that is the node, and then right subtree, that is R. So it is L and R. Left subtree, node, and the right subtree. Same idea. Process the left subtree in an order traversal. The same, it is a recursive call. Then data part, print the data, that is the process the root R, and then split your right. Just jump again in the right subtree in the same way in the in order traversal. Okay, now for the last time we will try the post order traversal. That is left subtree and the right subtree and then the node. See, all the versions we are reading here is the recursive way. We are just calling the function its own. Left subtree, okay, then the right subtree, again traverse the left subtree of R in order, and then traverse the right subtree of R in order, and process the root R. So you can process the root R here. This is your end. If you consider the pseudocode, it would be again you're calling the post order by passing the left subtree, and again you're calling the passing the to the post order same function. Right subtree, every left subtree is considered as a tree, again it will call internally as a recursive call, and then you will process the root. So left, right, and then the node. Left subtree, right subtree, and the node itself. So thank you for listening. This is all about the pre-order, in order, and post order traversal using the recursive manner. Thank you.